Chez Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. Before moving on with Polygon today, that is they changed the name from Matic to Polygon. So I want you to take two simple actions right now. It's to subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, and press the bell notifications to receive new notification from Chez Satoshi, and a name to stick to your head, Chez Satoshi. And the second action I want you to take is subscribe to this outstanding channel, Crypto and Coffee, and spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, and the street, at school. To have access great content of value, you have all my gratitude. So let's go jump to Polygon. So Polygon on CoinGecko. So the website is Matic Network. They just rebrand from Matic for Polygon. I don't know, probably Polygon is a more attractive name than Matic. I'm not quite sure. But it's a scaling solutions over the Ethereum network, because at the moment, Ethereum network pay a lot of gas fees. So this is really cool to be able to keep going with cool application over the network, the Ethereum network on the second layers, and pay meaningless fee. I tested last year's, but now I just make a new video because there are a lot of hype around Polygon right now. So I'm going to cover all the sections about the new website Polygon. So as you can see, they have a max supply of 10 billions. Right now they have already 4.9 billions already in circulating supply. The trading volume is really outstanding, over 817 millions, over 1.1 billion in market cap. This is really insane in the market. Have a lot of hype around this good project that is called really sexy name, Polygon. And the last names is Matic. So let's go jump to the main section of Polygon new website. So basically, Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain. What's that mean? Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain network. Probably like Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. I'm not quite sure if that's the meaning behind it. The challenge. Ethereum is the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has some limitation. Low throughput, this is really true. Poor US gas delay, proof of work finality, this is really true because right now the gas is so high. Until we have Ethereum 2.0, we need DAPPS need to migrate to a second layers to be able to. People want low fee, people want instant transactions. This is something really basic when you deal with the DAPPS these days. No sovereignty, shared throughput, clogging risk, tech stack, non-customizable governance dependence. So many projects are exploring Ethereum compatible blockchain as a way to mitigate this limitation while still leverage Ethereum thriving ecosystem. This is important. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchain nor a protocol to connect them. This introduces significant development challenges and causes ecosystem fragmentation. So the solution, Polygon, a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum compatible blockchain networks together. So this is Ethereum 4, custom network, Polygon, and Quorum. So the BSS is an Ethereum art fork. So it will be combined with the new Binance Smart Chains. So you will be able to transact with Matic, I believe. So Polygon, like I say, is an Ethereum compatible blockchain. I already read that part. So see, one-click deployment of present blockchain network. Growing set of modules for developing custom network, interoperability protocol for exchanges arbitrary messages with Ethereum and other blockchain networks, modular and optional security as a service, and adapter module for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain network. This is really important because the features we want to be able to transact from BSS to Ethereum to Solana. So we need to have compatible to be able to trade one token for another, all decentralized way, my friend, without a centralized party. Especially, imagine just you have some NFT, you want to send your NFT to someone else, another blockchain, or send another value, or swap a token for another. This is basic features, basic operations we do on the daily basis. Explore the Polygon technology or read the white paper for a deep dive. So you can read the white paper. I'm going to, in a few minutes, I'm going to show you as well the light papers. So features of Polygon. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set built by developer for developers. ETH compatibility, industry dominance, established tech stack, tools, languages, standards, enterprise adoption, and this is really true. Scalability, they dedicate blockchains, scalable consensus algorithms, custom WASP execution environment, security, modular security as services provided either by Ethereum or by a pool of professionals validators. Sovereignty, dedicated throughput resources, fully customized tech stack, sovereign governance. So they see they have a lot of great features over Polygon. Interoperability, native support for arbitrary message, passing, token, contract card, etc. Bridge to external system. We need that. Like Polkadot, big hype around Polkadot that bring the interoperability out of the box, but Matic want to tap into this niche as well. User experience, I think was as well Cosmos do interoperability. I'm not quite sure if my memory is good, sometimes we forgot. But before to keep going, I need to take some coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification, and spread a lot of this about this great channel at your workplace and the street and at school to have access great content of value. So, user experience, corporal to Web 2, zero gas transaction, instant deterministic transactions, finality. So, instant, the finality is instant approval of your transactions. Developer experience. So you don't need to learn everything again. So you have equivalent to Ethereum, no protocol level knowledge required, no token deposit fees or permission. So your skill is transferable. You can move your skill over Matic, and you will be able to build something wonderful the world will use with Matic. Modularity. High customizability, extensibility, and upgradability. Great words to say in English. Short time to market, community collaboration. This is really cool. So you have a great applications you want to build over Matic. You can do it with this modularity. Explore Polygon technology. Get started. The project over this ecosystem. These are some of the many projects that already use Polygon architecture. So this is something really cool. They have DAPPS that they already use it by real people's real community, and this is cool because when you have people to use, they have value, so the price of Matic will increase. The overall infrastructure of Matic will increase as well. So you have the Poly market, one of the most popular prediction market in the blockchain space. Poly market has redefined the space with its smooth UX interface. Avigotchi, DeFi-based crypto collectible game. Players stake NFTs with interest generating token in the Avigotchi metaverse. Wow, this is really cool. I really love to cover that. So this week I plan to. I have my account on Matic, and I want to try the new to see the involvement since I used it last year's, but I've never used it since. For a few months, but now I want to tap into the progress they made so far, because with the high gas fee, it's not you cannot use right now the Ethereum network, to be honest, if you are not rich. Decentral games, casino style games built in the decentralized metaverse where you can play your favorite card games with your chosen avatar. Pretty cool. SportX. Place your bet on your favorite sporting events with SportX and earn more with weekly contests and on this popular sport betting platform. Pretty cool. I don't like betting because my father was a gambler, and I remember that when he lost money at home, we always have a big issue with my mom, and I always take this to my head to say gambling is not good when you lose it. It can bring problems. So always bet with the money you have to afford to lose. This is really important. EasyFi. A fork of compound which brings multiple DeFi projects into one roof with lending, borrowing, staking, and more available on one DApp. This is really cool, my friend. So we can do DeFi over the Ethereum second layers with Polygon. This is really cool. Neon District. I play this game right now and it's really cool. And it's a play to earn free and I really enjoy. I'm just starting to play the game. I build my character, you deliver it pizza, and it's really cool. I'm very happy to discover that it's all over Matix right now. Cyberpunk RPG are adventurous game that allow players to battle it on the out and science fiction dystopia and win in-game NFT. This is really cool and it's free play to earn. You can buy, but it's really cool, this game. So about us, Polygon is an open source project built by decentralized team of contributors from all over the world. So this is really cool. Learn more. You can subscribe to the newsletters where you can have open position here. So let's go jump to the next section, my friend. So the foundation for Internet of Value and People. So I need to take some coffee before moving on. Do not forget to take 2 simple actions. Subscribe to this wonderful channel, Crypto and Coffee, and as well spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, in the street, at school to have access great content of value. You have my gratitude. Polygon provides the core components and tools to join the new borderless economy of societies. So basically, with Polygon, any project can easily spin up dedicated project network which combines the best features of standalone blockchain sovereignty, scalability, and flexibility, and Ethereum security, interoperability, and developers' experience, my friend. Additionally, these blockchains are compatible with all the existing Ethereum tools, MetaMask, MyCrypto, Remix, etc., and connections message among themselves and with Ethereum. Polygon technology is materialized through 2 major components, Polygon Framework and Polygon Protocol. So the framework, all these protocols work, Polygon, is one-click deployment of present Ethereum-compatible blockchains. And the second thing, growing set of models, pluggables, consensus, staking, governance, EVM, SAM, execution environment, dispute, resolve, etc. for developer who wants to build a custom blockchain. Wow, wow, wow. And the protocol. So the first step, the first exception, arbitrary message passing between any 2 participating Polygon chain, as well as between any Polygon chain and Ethereum, so you can exchange back and forth. Security associates, non-mandatory modulator security services provided either by Ethereum directly or by a dedicated set of validator. So you can build great things. Sorry, I need to take some coffee a little bit. So the security is this is something that they really take care of. This is really important, and you can access security out of the box with Polygon. Polygon chain. Polygon support 2 major types of Ethereum compatible blockchains network: standalone network and network that leverage security as services. Security chains. Blockchain network that use security as services instead of establishing their own validator pools. The services can be provided either by Ethereum directly via fraud proof of validated proofs or by a pool of professional validators similar to Polkadot Sharer Security. Security chains offer high level of security with the trade-off of sacrificing a portion of independence and flexibility. Implementation, Matic Plasma, Zika rollup that's coming soon. Optimistic rollup, this is also the new piece of technology that I'm not familiar with. Optimistic rollups coming soon and validated chains coming soon. So standalone chains. Fully sovereign Ethereum compatible blockchain network. This network are fully in charge of their own security. Example, have their own pools of validators. Standalone chain offer the highest levels of independence and flexibility with the trade-off of something challenging validator pools establishing the basic proof of change chains. Explore Polygon, get started, blah, blah, blah. Architecture. Polygon architecture consists of 4 abstract compatibilities. This is really important to understand. So we have the Ethereum layers. You have the finality, staking, dispute, and messaging. You have the security layers. I'm going to up here. Validator management, validations, proof generations. And the Polygon network layers. Transactions, collections, consensus, ordering, and data. And the execution layers, the smart contract EVM and the execution environment investment. So the Ethereum layers. The Ethereum layers is the Polygon chains that can use Ethereum, the most secure programmable blockchain in the world, to host and execute any mission critical component of their logic. This layer is implemented as a set of Ethereum smart contract and choice to function like finally checkpointing, staking, dispute resolving, and message relaying. The security layers. A specialty non-mandatory layers managing a set of validators that can periodically check the validity of any Polygon chain for a fee. These layers can be implemented as a meta blockchain that run in parallel to Ethereum and charge a function like validator management, Polygon chain validation. Security is fully abstract and can have multiple instances implemented by different entities and with different characteristics. It can also be implemented directly on Ethereum, in which case the Ethereum miners perform the validations. The Polygon network layers. It's really cool to discover this technology while sharing with you live. A constellation of sovereign blockchain network. Each of the network servers is respective community maintaining function like transaction collections, local concessions, block productions. The network can utilize Polygon protocol to connect with each other and exchange arbitrary message. And the last one, the one probably that everyone will use without to be known, it's because when you interact with your DAPPS, for example, a game over the Matic network, no, the Polygon network, sorry. You transact on the execution layers. These layers interpret and execute transactions that agree upon included in the Polygon network blockchain. It consists of two sublayers: environment, pluggable virtual machine implementation, and execution logic. State transaction function of specific Polygon network, normally written as Ethereum smart contract. Security layers is fully abstract and can have multiple instances implemented by different entities. This is the same message of the security here. So positionings. Brief comparison with the most notable alternatives suggests that Polygon offers the most attractive set of features. I need to take some coffee before moving on, because my brain starts to think about. This is a great piece of technology when you're thinking about it, all what they offer for the Polygon. I need to take some coffee, my friend. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification, and spread the love about this great channel at your workplace, in the street, at school. You have all my gratitude if you do those actions right now. So this is the comparison of what is popular on the market right now. The side chains. Ethereum compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, and developer experience. This is all the criteria they compare with each others. So side chains, as you can see, they just have user experience, sovereignty, scalability, Ethereum compatibility. The sharding, they have the same thing, but they have the part of security and developer experience. Current, they have Ethereum compatibility, scalability, sovereignty, and user experience. Cosmos, they have interoperability, scalability, sovereignty, interoperability, and user experience. So Cosmos and Polkadot, they tap into this market. I need to dig about Current. I'm going to put a message to dig into it because I'm curious about this blockchain. I never heard about it. So you see, you learn while you read those pages. So Cosmos, they support the Ethereum compatibility. No, I just read already about Current, I believe. Cosmos, Polkadot, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, and user experience. And Polygon, wow, they support everything. Ethereum compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, and developer experience. So get started with Polygon. So I'm going to start with the next sections. The paper. Polygon provides the core components and tools to join the new borderless economy and society. So they support Ethereum, standalone sidechain, Zcash rollups, optimistic rollup, enterprise chains, shared security chains, Matic, proof of stake plasma chains. It's insane. You're going to be able to transact, to communicate with all together with all the sidechains. I'm very excited to read about this. So I'm going to show you the Lightpaper Polygon. So Ethereum Internet of blockchains. Out of the box. The challenge, the solutions, the features, technology, Polygon chains, architecture, positioning about our visions and the team, and find out more. So the challenge, Ethereum is the blockchain development platform of choice. Build has limitation. Low throughput, poor user experience, no sovereignty. I already covered that on the main page. So you see, Ethereum can interact with Polkadot, Custom Network, Cosmos, Interrock for Quorum. Solution, Polygon, a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. One quick development, interoperability protocol, growing set of modules, adapter modules, security as a services. So as I can see, you see all the infrastructures like custom network, Ethereum network, fork, like BSS, Quorum, Polygon, and so on. Features. Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set built by developers for developers. We already covered that. ETH compatibility, scalability, security, sovereignty, interoperability, user experience, developer experience, modularity. So as you can see out of the box, great content of features that they support. It's really cool. The technology, foundation for the Internet of Value and Peoples. Technology. Polygon provides the core components and tools to join the new borderless economy and societies. So as you can see, beautiful graphics, the framework, protocol, one-click deployment, growing settlement, arbitrary message passing, security as a services. Polygon chains. Polygon support two major types of Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, standalone network and network that leverage security as services. Standalone chains, enterprise network, establish a project with strong communities, and security chain like startup, security focuses project. Architectures. Polygon architecture consists of 4 abstract composite layers, like we did mention that. Execution layers, Polygon network layers, security layers, and Ethereum layers. So architectures, Polygon network layers, execution layers. This is the same thing. So positioning. Brief comparison with the most notable alternative suggests that Polygon offers the most attractive set of features. As you can see, they compare with sidechain, sharding, Quorum, Cosmos, Polkadot, and Polygon. Get started with Polygon. So about who we are and why we are doing this. Our visions, we envision an open, borderless world. This is really important. So our rich people and machine collaborate and exchange value globally and freely without gatekeeper or intermediaries. Our and which community thrive and constrained by artificial border and archaic regulation. This is really cool, the world we live in. We have artificial borders and archaic regulations that is sometimes heavy on our shoulders. We strive to empower everyone to effortlessly join these new better worlds. So this is the graphic we have our previous. The team. Polygon is an open source project built by decentralized team of contributors from all over the world. And this is really cool. We don't believe in traditional companies, hierarchy, and management. Anyone is welcome to contribute code, ideas, and anything else that can help make our vision reality. This is really cool. I need to take some coffee. And they have advisor as well, so they have advisor to Ethereum Shop, Coinbase, Bankless, X, Consensus, and Ethereum Foundation. So let's go jump to the next section, the Proof of Stake Bridge. A Proof of Stake Bridge is basically set a contract that helps moving assets from the root chains to the child chains. There is apparently 2 bridges to move assets between Ethereum and Matic. First one is the Plasma Bridge, and the second one is the Proof of Stake Bridge or Proof Stake Bridge. Plasma Bridge provides increased security guarantee due to Plasma exit mechanisms. So I'm not going to read everything. It's very so I invite you to read on your own. So you just need to go to the Matic developer. So you know that they have 2 bridges that you back and forth. You can send money from the Ethereum network to the Matic layer. So the environment layers, I think, if memory is good. So however, there is a certain restriction of share support. So this is something that I invite you to read on your own. So let's go jump to the next piece of technology. This is already implemented in the protocol, so it's functional. Proof of security bridge is working as default. The Plasma Bridge, a bridge is basically a set of contracts that help and moving asset from the root chains to the child chains. So this is what you need to know about the Plasma Bridge. I invite you to understand, if you want to dig deeper into the technology, you can dig in how this thing is working. I invite you. You can find it on the main page here. I'm going to show you. You have the solutions. So this is the Matic Proof of Stake chains that is live and the Matic Plasma. And 4 more great pieces of technologies coming on the pipe. ZR rollups, optimization rollups, and standalone chains, and shared security chain. As you can see, this technology Polygon has a great potential to hit the market, is something that we need because with the Argosy, and this is something, a solutions that can interact with many blockchain, as we have already covered while just reading and learning at the same time you watch this outstanding video. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to put a comment. As well, press this, put the like comment if you enjoyed this video, so I know that you enjoyed this video. Put the like. As well, subscribe to this wonderful channel. Spread the love about it at your workplace, on the street, at school, and whatever you go. You have access, great content of video. Subscribe to my newsletters, podcasts, on my signature of this video. As well, come visit my outstanding website, sanshi.com, and see you tomorrow for another great video at 9 a.m. Eastern time on my great channel, Crypto and Coffee on YouTube. Ciao, ciao, and have a great day ahead, my friend.